Hello, Mike here. I just wanted to give you guys an update or a little bit of an example as a supplement to my video on how to give yourself a raise. So here I'm actually online with Verizon. I had a 1-year deal for $40 a month, and the 1 year ran out, and my bill went up to $55. So I knew this because I have this all documented in an Excel spreadsheet. So when I saw the new bill come in, I went, wait, my bill went up. And I knew this because I had it documented. So all I did was I actually reached out to Verizon and I asked them, hey, can you guys lower my bill back down to $39 per month? So basically $40 a month for my internet. And they actually, surprisingly, this time, it didn't take too much time or too much work, but they did. They actually, and I was able to only do it through chat. So for about, I don't know, 10, 15 minutes of my time on this chat while I'm actually working, I was able to cut my bill back down $15 for the next year, I'm assuming here. And this is actually the chat you can see here. So they're sending me an email saying here that I'll get it in a little bit. So give yourself a raise by documenting your expenses, and then when your bills go up, you have something to compare against, and then you can reach out to these companies and ask for a break. And right now, with what's going on, I think they're being a little more lenient than normal, but this is just an example on how to give yourself a raise. Thanks.